Untitled Channel. My name is Yvette and today we are going to make something you requested. We got the request on Facebook, how do you do eggs filled with cream cheese, and this is one of my go-to food when everything fails on keto and I'm hungry or I need more fat or nutrition, that this is the only food my body wants. And this is what we're gonna make today. If you wanna see more of these videos, then consider to subscribing to us. We do new videos every week. Desserts, proper lunch, dinner, salads, and snacks. You need 3 of the cooked eggs, and you just take the shell off very quickly. And you can just wash them to take the little residuals away. Alright, now cut the eggs in half. Now you take the egg yolk out into a separate bowl. Then you can put your eggs aside for now and mash this together. Basically, egg yolks has everything you need on a keto diet. It has calcium, B vitamins, K2, all the good stuff you need to work. Alright, and now you add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And you can be very generous, like 2 good tablespoons of cream cheese. And then you add, like depends on how much you like senap. If you are not so senapy, then add half a tablespoon into the mixture. And then you can add a tablespoon of mayo, like this. And now just mash this together until you get a creamy mixture. Alright, and then you can season it with salt and pepper and then mix it a bit more. Alright, so this is the filling, this is how creamy it is, you can see. And what you do now, you refill it into the eggs. And be generous, like put as much as you want. It tastes so yummy. Here you go. And then if you want to make it more pretty, you can put caviar on it, or fried crispy bacons, or just some greens. It's absolutely your choice. So this is the one with different toppings, caviar, cheese, bacon, and just herbs.
Okay guys, so in this part we were going to try this together with my wife, but our camera stand didn't want to work today, so she has to film me while I'm testing it. I love this. This is really one of our favorite keto go-to snacks. It is really awesome. Calorie data, by the way, will be on the screen. Try this at home.
Okay, so I think that was it for this video, and I hope you out there who asked for this will find this video now and you can make this awesomeness for yourself. And if you want to see more of these videos, then subscribe to us, give me a like if it was good, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!